Hello. I've said it before and I'll say it again. I'm tired. I'm ZGALA, aka Anti-Angel. Once again, I'm here to check in with my body, do a quick stretch and snack before I hit the hay early. I like to rhyme, I like to be silly, and I like to freestyle my stretches and remind you that there's not one way. You don't have to brush your hair, you don't have to put on a special outfit in order to check in with your own body. Do a little moving, a little stretching, a little letting go of stress. It's super windy where I am today, and the high winds tend to just take the energy right out of me. I know I'm not alone in that. So I'm happy to have made it through the day. I'm happy that I don't have to work tomorrow, and I'm happy to be getting to bed early. But before I do, let's do those stretches. I like to remind everybody, follow your own lead. Make sure you listen to your own body. This is me checking in with my body and trying to encourage you to check in with your body. So let's start off with some shoulder shrugs just to let go of some stress. Nice and easy, breathing in. Enjoying those snap, crackle pops. Bringing the shoulders up into the ears. You can tense up the fingers and the toes and pull up the pelvic floor. Breathe in a little more and then just let it go. I like to swing the arms if possible up on my knees, just enough to let my arms swing without hitting the floor. Let's do a couple more of those. Breathing in, tensing up, pulling up, holding, breathing in a little more, and then just swing the arms back, let go. Have yourself a heavy sigh on me. Let's do one more. Breathing in. Bringing the shoulders up, breathing into the belly. Tensing up the fingers and the toes and the face if you want. And letting the arms swing. There you have it. Oh, let's do a little cross the body. Arm stretching. I got tension in my arms building up. Again, tends to happen often with me. Ooh, I've got some big ka-chunks in there. You got any ka-chunks in your arms? I've had ka-chunks most of my life, but they've definitely gotten more profound as I'm going through this journey. Bring the other arm across and just wiggling the arm around a little bit. Just checking in with it. Again, there's not one right way or one wrong way. There are many right ways and many wrong ways, probably. It's up to you to listen to your own body. As I've said before, it's not about doing a particular thing, really. It's about showing up regularly. Of course, there are particular things that you can do that are better than other particular things. And I'm not trying to say you shouldn't brush your hair or put on a special outfit. I'm just trying to say, don't let that be an excuse for not doing it. I think a lot of people use all sorts of excuses, me included. I'm not trying to exclude myself from that. But part of what I do here is hold myself accountable and encourage you to hold yourself accountable. Because your body's the one thing you can't live without. It's worth a little of your time and energy, and it makes a huge difference in life. If you take time regularly, just like brushing your teeth every day, changing your socks every day, it's good to let go of some stress every day, because there's more coming tomorrow. So I hope you will take that to heart. I hope you will like and subscribe, because that helps me out. I hope you will stay more curious, more courageous, get more fit and more free. We're all in this together. Thanks for being you. Thanks for letting me be me. And notice this is crooked. It's all right. I'll be seeing you soon. Ciao for now.